Canada turned heads at the influential CES 2023 exhibition with a surprising showcase of innovative aerodynamic solutions crafted from shape-shifting thermoplastic. This groundbreaking technology, known as morphing surfaces, holds particular significance for electric cars. Preliminary estimates indicate that this technology, applied to the bumper alone, could potentially reduce drag by approximately 10%, translating to tens of additional kilometers on the same battery charge. The consensus among experts is that the limited range on a single charge remains a significant hurdle for widespread electric car adoption. Integrating advancements such as enhanced traction inverters alongside features like morphing surfaces demonstrates substantial promise. The idea that a simple, yet innovative, aerodynamic solution could significantly extend the distance an electric car can travel on a single charge is a game-changer. How do you feel about the concept of active aerodynamics and its potential impact on electric vehicles? Can you envision this technology becoming a standard feature? Imagine merging German practicality with Japanese technology, and you get the electric sedan known as the Byton K-Byte. Crafted by former minds from Nissan and BMW, this venture faced unfortunate setbacks, leading to bankruptcy in 2021 and, sadly, no actual car production. The Byton K-Byte, however, exists in the realm of concepts and prototypes, a collection of unfulfilled potential. It's disheartening given its array of captivating features, including at least 4 LiDARs, 2 protruding front defenders, and hardware designed for the highest Level 5 autonomy. The all-wheel drive variant promised a robust 470 horsepower engine, boasting an impressive range of approximately 490 kilometers on a single charge, reaching a maximum speed of 209 kilometers per hour. The Byton K-Byte is the ambitious leap it took toward cutting-edge technology. The commitment to LiDAR systems and hardware designed for Level 5 autonomy, even though the venture faced challenges, reflects a bold vision for the future of electric sedans. What aspect of the Byton K-Byte captures your attention the most? Is it the advanced autonomy features, the impressive range, or perhaps the collaborative blend of German and Japanese influences? Share your perspective in the comments below. In the past year, over 10 million electric vehicles found buyers worldwide, constituting 14% of total car sales. This momentum is projected to persist, with estimates suggesting that by 2025, every fourth car sold will be electric. While this may be exciting news, what if you're not keen on parting with your current ride, especially if it happens to be a Porsche 911? An innovative American company, EV West, has presented a compelling solution. They provide conversion kits designed to overhaul traditional internal combustion engine cars into efficient electric ones. Take, for example, their kit tailored for a Porsche 911, priced at $12,000. This package includes a 130 horsepower engine, a sophisticated charging system, a programmable controller, and more, the only notable exclusion being the batteries. What's intriguing is the flexibility offered. You can personalize your kit by choosing from a range of components, including motors and drives sourced from Tesla. It's akin to constructing a car in a virtual gaming environment. How do you feel about this innovative approach to electric vehicles? Would you consider converting your current car into an electric one? Share your perspective in the comments below. The UN reveals that a mere 10% of the global population breathes air meeting acceptable standards, contributing to a staggering $1 trillion annual cost for addressing air pollution-related issues. In response to this alarming scenario, an air cleaning system, the IQAir ATEM, was developed. Weighing in at around 3 kilograms, this device is designed for continuous use, capable of purifying up to 66 cubic meters of air per hour. Impressively, it operates with a hushed demeanor, generating a noise level akin to a quiet conversation, not exceeding 44 decibels. What sets this system apart is its efficiency in filtering out PM 2.5 particles, effectively tackling soot, asphalt, tire residues, and various pollutants. Users can conveniently make adjustments to the system via a smartphone interface, making it user-friendly. All these features come at a price point of approximately $900. Would you consider investing in such a device for your home? The Ramsmobile team has undergone a fascinating evolution, transitioning from crafting hookahs and tuning to the creation of SUVs like the impressive Protos RMX2 model. Let's delve into its notable features. At the core, a proprietary chassis crafted from a blend of titanium and carbon fiber claims the title of the world's lightest, boasting a weight range from 1.5 to 2.7 tons. The engine options are equally impressive, delivering a robust 1,000 to 1,200 horsepower and available in gasoline, diesel, or electric versions. The customization possibilities are extensive, ranging from Kevlar reinforcements and gold trim to even including hookahs. However, the standout feature that steals the spotlight is the retractable track, equipped with hydraulic or electric drive. Reviews highlight the car's ability to navigate steep hills, with even 1 or 2 tracks each measuring 61 centimeters wide, conquering inclines as steep as 63 degrees. What captivates me most about the Ramsmobile is the combination of innovation and versatility. From the lightweight chassis to the powerhouse engine options and the unique customization offerings, it's a blend of rugged durability and luxury. What aspect of the Ramsmobile intrigues you the most? Would you appreciate the versatility of the engine options, the customization possibilities, or perhaps the remarkable retractable track feature? Speaking of cutting-edge technology, let's delve into the offerings of RoboSense, a front-runner in the world of LiDAR systems. Their notable partnership with the Chinese giant XPeng speaks volumes, and their LiDARs find extensive applications in robots and UAVs. Take, for instance, the Ruby Plus models, which boast an exceptional range of up to 240 meters with an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 2 centimeters. What's striking about these LiDARs is the substantial advancement from the previous generation. The weight and volume have been slashed by 50%, and power consumption sees a notable 33% reduction. These LiDARs not only prioritize accuracy and efficiency but also ensure safety, being eye-safe. Moreover, they provide a comprehensive 360-degree view of the surrounding world. For enthusiasts fascinated by track systems, there's the intriguing option of installing it on all wheels, reminiscent of the setup in the French movie Taxi 3. Enter Rubitracks, a system available in both ready-made and DIY kit forms, renowned as the most user-friendly in the market, demanding minimal modifications for most cars. The installation process is surprisingly reasonable, taking just about a day for the initial setup and a mere hour for subsequent adjustments. The tracks themselves are available in lengths of 122 or 142 centimeters, both boasting a width of 38 centimeters. The entry into this world of enhanced traction starts at a price of $12,000, inclusive of a special mounting kit. What stands out to me about the Rubitracks is its accessibility. The fact that it's touted as the easiest system on the market, with a straightforward installation process and minimal modifications needed for most cars, makes it appealing to a broader audience. Back in 2019, the US set a remarkable record with a whopping 278 million cars navigating its roads. With such a staggering number, the automotive industry, buyers, and tuning shops find little time to catch their breath. Take, for instance, the world of Ragtops, those expansive vehicle roofs, often dubbed as convertibles for the budget-conscious. The featured Cadillac Fleetwood Lowrider, showcased in the video, boasts a ragtop measuring 112 by 140 centimeters. Yet, there are even grander options out there, stretching to 102 by 305 centimeters. Of course, such lavish customization comes at a price, with complete sets easily reaching $700 or more, installation excluded. Now, despite the hefty cost, owning a car with a ragtop undoubtedly elevates it to stand out on the road, providing ample opportunities to capture attention-grabbing videos. The sheer audacity of having a roof that size commands a presence, turning heads and ensuring your vehicle is far from forgettable. What I find most intriguing about this trend is the blend of extravagance and individuality. While it might not be the most practical modification, having a car with a striking ragtop is a bold statement, a unique way to make your ride distinctly yours. For the car audio enthusiasts out there, here's a noteworthy development dating back to 2017 when it made its debut in the limited edition Nissan Micra. The brainchild behind this innovation is none other than BOSE, renowned for its home audio systems and headphones. The idea is elegantly simple yet powerful: compact audio systems for cars that sidestep the need for modifications to doors and trunks. Instead, the speakers have ingeniously found their home in the headrests, allowing engineers to seamlessly incorporate 6 speakers in the Micra, with 2 even gracing the driver's headrest. What stands out about the BOSE Personal system is its commitment to delivering exceptional sound without the need for extensive car modifications. The utilization of headrests to house speakers is a stroke of genius, showcasing a thoughtful approach to both design and functionality. The sound quality is elevated, courtesy of BOSE's Personal Space virtual audio technology, creating an expansive sound field that offers clarity and depth without relying on an excessive number of speakers.